Liposuction is one of the most popular things that I do in my practice. And because I've done so many of these cases, I want to share with you 3 important things to ask your plastic surgeon before getting this procedure. In plastic surgery, not everybody does a procedure in the same way. And there are key differences that I feel you need to know to get the best result. First thing you should know is whether you're a good candidate for this procedure. Not everybody should get liposuction. There are certain conditions, such as visceral fat, which is fat inside the abdomen that we cannot remove. And some patients will come to me with a concern about the abdominal area, but we have to make sure that fat can be removed with liposuction. Basically, if you can pinch your skin and it's thicker than what you want it to be, that fat underneath the surface of the skin can be removed with liposuction. The other thing that you should know is loose skin. Sometimes patients will come to me with very loose skin, either in the back or the abdomen, most commonly after having children or having lost a lot of weight, and we cannot really treat loose skin with liposuction. Liposuction is intended to take out fat from an area, and if the skin is really loose, we could actually make the skin looser if we remove more fat from that area. Loose skin usually needs to be treated with a surgical procedure where we take the skin out, such as a tummy tuck or a thigh lift or a back lift. So it's important for you and your surgeon to know whether your concerns are due to loose skin or excess fat. So if you're considering liposuction, please find a skilled and experienced plastic surgeon to do your procedure, somebody who's done a lot of procedures in the past, and feel free to ask these questions from your provider, because if he's done this procedure a lot, he or she won't mind answering these questions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like down below, give us a comment as well, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.